You know how some financial apps feel like they were designed for Wall Street traders, not for everyday investors? Well, what if there was an app that simplified everything, making it easy to build a personalized, automated investment portfolio that just works? Today, we're diving into M1 Finance, a platform that's all about making investing feel less like a chore and more like setting up a financial autopilot. If you're a beginner looking to get started, or an existing user who wants a fresh look at the platform, you're in the right place. M1 Finance stands out because it combines the best parts of a robo-advisor with the flexibility of a traditional brokerage. Instead of picking individual stocks, you build what they call pies. Think of a pie as your entire portfolio. Inside that pie, you create slices. Each slice can be an individual stock, an ETF, or even another pie. This is how you design your ideal portfolio. Let's walk through how to build your first pie. After you sign up and link your bank account, you'll see the option to create a new pie. M1 offers dozens of expert pies, which are pre-built portfolios based on different investment strategies, like aggressive growth or income-focused. These are a great starting point if you're not sure what to pick. But the real power comes from building your own custom pie. You can add any stock or ETF available on the platform. Let's say you want to create a pie with 3 slices, a Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, a S&P 500 ETF, and maybe a tech-heavy ETF like QQQ. You'll add each of these as a slice and then tell M1 what percentage of your portfolio you want each to be. For example, 50% for the Vanguard ETF, 30% for the S&P 500, and 20% for the Tech ETF. M1 automatically handles the rest. Once your pie is set up, this is where M1's automation shines. When you deposit money, M1 automatically buys the slices that are underweight to bring your portfolio back to your target percentages. This is called dynamic rebalancing. It's essentially buying low and selling high without you having to lift a finger. You just deposit money, and M1 does the hard part, keeping your portfolio on track with your long-term goals. The platform has 2 main features, M1 Invest and M1 Spend. M1 Invest is what we've been talking about, building your pies and investing. M1 Spend is their banking side, which includes a checking account and a debit card that integrates seamlessly with your investments. It's designed to make it easy to transfer money between your checking and investment accounts. So, why is this a great choice for beginners? First, there are no trading fees or commissions, which means you get to keep more of your money. Second, the fractional share investing means you can buy a tiny piece of an expensive stock like Amazon or Google without needing hundreds or thousands of dollars. You can start with as little as $100 to open an account. And finally, the automation we talked about means you can set it and forget it, letting your money work for you over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.